Hey, it's Dr. Daniel Moses here. I want to invite you to our upcoming Wealth and Business Networking event. The last edition was so super powerful. There was, you name it, who is who in London, who is who in the property industry in the room. A lot of people were able to connect, create great relationship. A lot of people were able to collaborate with other people. So are you looking for joint venture partnership? Are you looking to learn about property? Are you looking to get that one first step into business? The Wealth and Business Networking event is the right place for you. Now, I am joined by Mark Artrim, a business coach, a success coach, someone who has been able to help business owners to grow and scale their business. So property is not just about investing in real estate and buying brick and mortar. Property is about how do you also create a business that can outgrow you in the future and build a fantastic legacy for your family. So you don't want to miss the next upcoming edition. Click on the link below this video. Get yourself registered. If you can't find the link, drop me a DM in any of my social media. My team will send you a link to get yourself registered. It's going to be powerful. Make sure you don't miss it, and I'll see you there.